We change our sheets every week, but there's still so much dust trapped inside the mattress.
Y'all, look how dirty and gross this is. So I did our bed, our couch, and a little bit of the rug where the dogs also lay. So not only did it get fur, but you can see all the dust and mite stuff it got off. That is gross. And this is my new favorite appliance in our house. This is the uwant Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. And this thing has such a powerful suction, and it has so many features that really help get the dust, get the mites out of your bed, out of any upholstered things really, because I don't know if you notice, Americans have a lot of allergies, including our family, and dust mites is a big source of those allergens. So let's take a look inside. You're just gonna press this button on the side to pop it open. And then you have the lid. Look at all of that fur. So it actually even collected on this side, which normally this side stays really clean. So let's pour everything out and see what we've got here. We of course have oodles of fur, but look at all the dust and mites. The Mattress Vacuum Cleaner has a couple of really cool features on it. It has a spot for aromatherapy essential oils, which does like this mist kind of diffuser action. So it's neutralizing odors and leaving a lovely fragrance as you are vacuuming up your mattresses or couches or whatever. There's 3 stages that it uses to get rid of those dust mites. The first is it blows really hot air to kind of start to kill them. It also uses red light and far infrared light. And between those 3, it supposedly eliminates all those dust mites. I also appreciate that on the LCD screen, it will show you what the mite index is. So it really gives you a good idea of how dirty it is, how long you should stay on there. And if an area is in the 70s, 80s, 90s, you're gonna wanna keep it there and keep going back to that area for a while, and you will see that dust mite index go down. The dust cup is really cool. So it has 2 sides, and as you saw when it was full, it really fills up this one side so that all the air keeps flowing around that filter. But mine had so much fur that it started just at the top, but it uses this like cyclone stuff that it keeps the fur moving up top while collecting the dust down below. It's a really fancy feature. And underneath here, it has an electrostatic hair catcher and this V-shaped anti-tangle design. It kind of helps flick up any debris, and it catches hair so it's not getting wrapped up as bad, and it allows it just to pass through. So way better than any typical vacuum you're using for the hair. Their directions instruct that you use this 2 to 3 times a week when you first get it, just to really get all those dust mites, because it's hard to get it through in one pass when you've never done it before. And then afterwards, it's recommended that you use it once a week, which is probably what we'll do anyway, because we wash our sheets once a week. So that's the perfect time for us to get that done. And hopefully, as we continue doing this week after week after week, we're seeing that our starting numbers of the mite index be much lower than so much in the 90s. So I've only done 1 pass on everything so far, so I can't say for certain if allergies are better, but I am hoping after a lot of use that we will all be seeing improvement in our allergies. So if you're looking for a powerful vacuum mattress that's actually going to get rid of those mites, kill any mite eggs, and just keep things nice and clean, nice and lightweight, but super powerful, this is a fantastic option.